today we are going to be opening and testing this new product from Shine Armor. So I have just received this through the post. I'm not 100% sure what is in it, but I know that it is one of the new products. I think it is the ceramic spray. We'll get this opened up. So here we are. They have sent us the Graphene ceramic spray by Shine Armor. But yeah, they've sent us a Graphene ceramic spray. I believe this is actually one of their new products. If you're in the UK, you can get this in Amazon for I think £20. So yeah, this is what it is. They've sent us the ceramic spray and also 2 microfiber towels, and obviously it comes with the spray nozzle as well. So yeah, thank you so much Shine Armor for sending these out. We are gonna head out now to actually test the product out. The car is a little bit dirty, but I'm not feeling on washing the whole car today. So what we'll do is just wash the bonnet, give it a good rinse, and then we'll apply the product and then we'll see what it looks like. So reading from the back of the bottle, it'll give you a little bit of an insight on what it is, what it does, and to use it. It says on here to spray it in a microfiber towel and then wipe the product onto the paint, fully covering it, and then allow it to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then buff it with a clean microfiber towel, and then allow sort of 4 hours to allow it to cure. So we are going to go and test it out right now, so let's head out. So this is it, the Shine Armor Graphene ceramic coat. Before we do put it on the car though, before we protect our brand new bonnet, I just want to say thank you so much Shine Armor for sending these out. And yeah, thank you very much for sending these out. Appreciate you. Thank you. Let's go. We have wiped the bonnet. We've just dampened the cloth with the Graphene ceramic spray, and then wiped it all over the bonnet, covering all of the bonnet, and then we are just giving it about 1 minute to 2 minutes to dry up, and then we'll buff it out with a new clean microfiber towel. So we are gonna test it out right now if it is gonna bead. So that is it guys, the proof is in the pudding. We were meant to have left it for about 4 hours to cure, but who's got time? Who's got 4 hours to allow it to cure? But literally that's straight after putting it on, buffing it, and it's just beading. Look, zoom into one of these, it's just beading. The water's not even staying anymore. I'll put a pre and post video. Yeah, as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. It's beading, and yeah, very happy with it. I would probably give that a 10 out of 10. 10. Thank you to Shine Armor for sending these out for us. with some microfiber towels as well. Yeah, go get yourself one of these. You can get them from Amazon for about £20. Check out Shine Armour's website and their Instagram as well. So yeah, thank you so much, Shine Armour. Thank you for watching.